Hey everyone, this is the DOS keyboard. I love it so much. I bought two of them. They're just fantastic keyboards. They're both over 6 years old, and they look great, right? This is a pretty newish looking keyboard for being 6 years old. Um, Part of that is just good design, and it's just a sturdy product, but also because mechanical keyboards can be cleaned, and I do clean them. A quick run through on some of the small features here. So this is just a media, control. It's got a quick mute, volume knob, play, pause, forward, back, sleep button. On the top right over here are where the USB ports are. The whole thing weighs about 3 pounds, and it's about maybe 2 inches thick from to the top of the keys to the bottom of the keyboard. I'll show you the back in a minute, but I want to take a key off and show you how that's done real quick. So the space bar and really long keys are not able to come off naturally. Maybe you can force them off, but I wouldn't try it. You can take all the keys off around it to clean, so it's not as big a deal as you might think. To get the keys off, we're going to grab it by the sides and then twist the keycap puller and pull it up from the corners. So go to the Windows key here. All right, so we grab it, by the side, and then we twist to get the corners. Sorry, I need some leverage here. All right, and then we just pop it up. Right, you can see it's a little dirty. I have pets, so there's always some kind of hair in there. That's what the bottom of the key looks like if you've never seen it. So if you do take these out to clean them, make sure you keep some kind of system of organization to put them back, because otherwise it will take you forever to put them back. No joke. It's a hard lesson learned. It is corded. The cord is about 6 to 6.5 feet. I don't remember exactly now because I haven't really moved it. It gets daily use, so again, this is just a fantastic keyboard. I can't talk enough about it. It's my little ninja sticker. Um, DOS keyboard. The back is, it's a standard back. It comes with these grips to help keep it from sliding. I cut out gym mat pieces and stuck them on there to keep it elevated, but that's more of a user preference, really. It does have some screws if you want to actually remove stuff and look into it further. I believe they're, I don't know what kind of, they look like hex screws, but I'll leave that to you. And that's really all about it. I'm happy to take questions if you have any, but I love this DOS keyboard. And if it actually ever breaks, I'm just going to buy another one. So, yeah, highly recommend.